Hey, Ryan with HomeBusy. I was just about to create a fan page for HomeBusy.com, so figured I might as well record myself doing it in case somebody wants to know how. So, how to create a Facebook fan page is this simple video. I went to facebook.com/pages/create.php, which is the URL I remember, but it's actually pages/creation. I'm sure you could Google how to create a Facebook page, and that'll pop up as well. Next thing we'll do is business or brand or community or public figure. In this place, we're going to name it HomeBusy. It's a business or a brand. And then you got to choose a category. Advertising, marketing, sure, why not? Then I will give an address here. Hit continue. And the reason I need this page, I will be posting content to it, but I need it for Facebook ads, and I also need it for ManyChat, which I'm going to be using for the subscribe module on the site. You can kind of see how that works if you click to subscribe somewhere near this video. If you're watching it on the HomeBusy site, you'll kind of get a sense for what I mean by that. So next thing I do is need to add a profile picture. I have this image that I purchased, stock image, so that I used in my logo, so I'm just going to use that for this as well. I think it needs to be at least 180 wide. I use Lightshot Screenshot in case you're wondering to do my screenshots like I'm doing right now. I'm trying to make it a square, 180 by 180. There, get it as close as possible. Sorry to make you watch that. Save it to my hard drive. Come back here, upload profile picture like so. I'll skip the cover photo upload, but basically that's the big session up top. And then just like that, very, very easily, I've got a Facebook fan page. Very cool stuff. And oh, what the heck, I just made an image for the cover photo. One of my favorite tricks I'll throw in as a bonus here is to kind of put a don't click here image. So it should be roughly, I think, 850 by 3 something like this. Should get me close. And save this, and then I'll make my canvas image back over here, add a cover image right here. So add a cover, upload there. So what I do is I make a goofy picture of myself here. In this case, it says don't click here, save, and then what I can do is I can make this image, I can edit it. See where it says add a description? Hey, I told you not to click. But since you did, check out the latest stuff over at HomeBusy.com now. Thanks. I'm just having a little fun. So done editing. So if somebody does actually click the cover image, that's what it'll do. It'll open up the picture with that text in it. Next thing I can do, add a button here. Let's just do learn more about your business, watch video, and then I plan to put my 10 ways to make money from home, 11 ways to make money from home video on the home page. So I'll just do HomeBusy.com. So if they go there, they'll be able to watch that featured video, which will be on the home page. And that's that. I've created a fan page. You'll see here the URL is up top. Facebook.com/HomeBusy.com. I think that I need to wait to get some likes on it. If you don't mind, go ahead and like this page now for me. And then eventually I'll be able to give it a custom username, create app page username. Oh, I can do it right now. HomeBusy. This. Yeah, it's not eligible yet. I think I need to get 25 people to like it. But once you do, you can go there, give it a custom username, and you kind of have a website right there for your business right off the bat. And that's about it. How to create a Facebook fan page. Using HomeBusy an example with a bonus trick, the don't click here trick. Go ahead on over to HomeBusy.com if you want more stuff like this.